Back to TronMakers. So in this video we're just going to have a look at the current results, and so you can, if you want to join TronMakers, you can join on the link below under ID 456. You need a Tron wallet in a Chrome browser, which can be installed by installing it as an extension. So just click on extensions and you'll be able to find the Tron wallet, set that up quickly, and then send Tron to it, and then click on the link below this video to connect to the TronMakers smart contract, which is on TronScan, and it's a peer-to-peer decentralized investment platform, and you can then join up for 1,000 Tron to level 1 and 3,000 to level 2. Don't go past that because our team's not past level 2 yet, so you will be joining the biggest team, and that's how you join up TronMakers. What will happen is once you've joined, you will then get a share of other people's that joined. You get 180 from each person that joins, so it's very distributive, and you get a round on assignment too, which also helps payouts. So let's have a look at the numbers. So we're up at 583 all participants. Remember that we're in the pre-launch. The official launch is in about 2 days, on the 1st of September. So you're getting in nice and early. 60 people have joined in the last 24 hours on a pre-launch. So these are just promoted by a few team leaders, such as myself. And then the participants have already earned 708,000 Tron, and we're only on pre-launch, and that's $16,500 US. So it's only just getting warmed up. So get in early, join our team, TronMakers, and use the link below, and hopefully you enjoy that. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share, hit the bell notifications, leave any comments for any videos that you'd like done, and we will catch you in the next one. Cheers.